We all heard this. To achieve anything you want, just set your goals and work hard to achieve them. Easier said than done, right? Without guidance, goal setting can be confusing and daunting. And this usually happens because you're not using the proper framework, you're not asking the right questions, and you're not using the right tools that will help you stick to the plan. In this video, I will share one framework that gets you thinking creatively and breaks down what you need to do in simple, actionable steps. It's a simple 3-step process I learned from Tony Robbins years ago to achieve any goal or project you want. Stick to the end, and I will also share a free template for you at the end of this video. Then, if you like the video, please help me by giving a thumbs up, clicking the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more. You can also add your questions or comments down below. Research online, and you'll be overwhelmed with all the videos, articles, and overly complicated methods. You know what you want, but you have no idea how to properly organize the steps you need to get there. It is tempting to skip the process. I've been there. But some years ago, I read the following quote from Jim Rohn, and it stuck in my head to this day. It is the set of the sails, not the direction of the wind, that determines which way we will go. It made perfect sense, and I immediately got it. If you start sailing without a destination in mind, you can end up in a place you want or another one you don't want. The sea may be rough, and the wind will push you in different directions, but when you know where you want to go, you will keep moving toward your destination. Work smart. Goal setting with the right framework highly increases your chance of reaching where you want to go and achieving what you want. So where do we start? I use 2 frameworks, but in this video I'll focus on my favorite, Tony Robbins' RPM method, and an extended version that depends on the project's complexity or goal. RPM stands for Result, Purpose, and Map. I'll explain it for you. Result. What is the ultimate outcome that you want to achieve? Purpose. Why is it important for you to achieve it? Human beings find drive with purpose. When it is attached to a goal, it makes it more important to you. MAP stands for Massive Action Plan. Brainstorm the steps you need to take to arrive at that goal and write down a list. As I said, you can apply this framework to anything you want to do. Projects, recipes, presentations, anything. Here's a straightforward example for you to understand the process. Result: buy a bike. Purpose: it will help me save time. More environmentally friendly. Save money. Map. Number 1, define the budget. Number 2, research the best bikes to buy. Number 3, go for trial runs at shops. Number 4, buy bike. Here's another one. Result: create a presentation to communicate the success that we achieved as a team and what the future holds for us. Purpose: we need to motivate the team and thank them for their input. We need to motivate them and show them that we appreciate their efforts. And we need to build a loyal team. And then we move to the map. Number 1, explain where we were. Number 2, where are we now? Number 3, where do we want to go? I also use a modified version of this framework for more complex projects that require other resources and a specific date by when to complete. What, why, how, when, who. The first 3 areas are similar to the previous. What? What is the ultimate outcome that you want to achieve? Why? Why is it important for you or your team to achieve this? How? How are we going to achieve this? Then we add these 2. When? When are we doing the actions? Here it is essential to set due dates and not due dates. With due dates, you will immediately see if you are overbooking you or your team's schedule. Who? Who will be actioning these steps? If other people are involved in the project, you must assign them to each action item. Once you complete this exercise, I recommend doing 3 additional bonus steps. Number 1, if you end up with a long list of tasks, group them into specific categories. For example, suppose you're opening a company. In that case, 25 tasks might relate to finance, 25 to brand, and the final 50 to marketing. Grouping allows you to think about 3 categories instead of 100 tasks. Number 2, batch and prioritize. Make sure to batch similar tasks so that you work productively and efficiently. Prioritize by high to low so that you know what you need to work on. Number 3. And finally, set everything on a project management tool with assigned due dates. In this case, I use Notion. It's a free, powerful, easy-to-use project management tool. In the description, you can find a link to a public template for you to duplicate and start using right now. And that's all. Let me know if you found this valuable and to which goal or project you applied this framework. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you liked this video, please help me by giving a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to watch more.